Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now what you see behind me here are these powder coat red storage lockers that we manufacture. Typically we paint them in our standard gray, but we painted these in red because we're going to use those for a trade show. Now the storage locker, this is a product that we provide in the basement of condominiums and apartments. So if there's 100 tenants in a building, there's going to be 100 lockers down in the basement so everybody can store, their stuff that they don't need every day. So we've got the single tier locker where it's, roughly 3 feet by 4 feet, and you've got a lot of room for storage. And then when you've got an area that you don't have a lot of space, but you've got a lot of tenants, some people go with the double tier locker. And with the double tier locker, you've got a divider shelf, and you've got 2 independent lockers here. So they don't get as much space, but they get some for the things they need to store away. And then we put a padlock hasp so you can put your own padlock on it. Now these lockers, they can come with a ceiling panel, like you see on this one, and they can have back panels on the back of the locker. But you don't always need those. If you're going within 6 inches of the ceiling, you don't need that top panel. And if you're up against a wall, you don't necessarily need a back panel. So you can really adjust your cost depending on what you need.